Sagutin siya, it's in coordination with the other boards. I've been working hard, pero I think excited siya talaga sa...
You're live on Facebook.
Hindi naman kami maka-organize ng victory party. Papasalamat kami sa nag-organize dito. But more than partying together, babagin kami. Ito talaga ang dadalhin sa inyo. Ngayon. Mamaya pa lang kami ako lang you asked him a question about he wants to reform the lahat ng aspect of the he thought that the appropriate time okay, what a lot of people don't know that there are good trading real journalists but there are also businessmen who like there are also businessmen who use their journalism and there's also the legal system that uses journalism. Having said that, never niya sinabi lahat ng in fact, discuss niya sa lahat ng sasabihin natin assault President Pinoy mentioned this, remember, in several occasions to complain about the price of the authority. So I expect the corporate to President bring up ito bago siya lumapit sa ngayon, sino magre-reform sa dito? Kaso din, kasi hindi pa ang gobyerno kami, dahil hindi natin kasi ang ito lang ngayon na yung politika magsasabi sa reform sa dito umagat nila dahil sa corruption sa naman kaya isa sa pinakamahirap na reform na gagawin natin is sa journalism. Misunderstanding kasi yung mga international outlets na humingi ng boycott, hindi nila naintindihan dahil binasa na lang nila portions lang. Hindi nila nakita yung full context at anong public space na bago lang. Hindi sanay ang international media na hindi soundbite. Hindi sila sanay na nagdadayo mo talaga. Sino bang world leader sa ating bansa? 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, hanggang madaling araw sa social media. So, pasanay na tayong lahat. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, hindi sa buong mundo, na itong pamumuno na ito ni citizen will discuss issues no matter how controversial, will be correct rather than politically correct. So, kung masasanay kayo, may iwasan natin ang distribution. And kung pilitin natin na Mr. President, this is the internationally accepted norm of acting kasi etc. Yung problema nga, sanay tayo sa international norm, yung pangyayari natin. Corruption, droga, gulo. So I think that what he said an answer that you will see a metamorphosis, you will see a different Duterte in the pala, you will get that. But he will challenge any accepted norm in Philippine society which harms the people or the people. So kung sasabihin mo pinakamayayaman sa Pilipinas, sanay sila na parating sinipan sila. Well, nagkakamali kayo, Presidente Pilipinas. Kung tingin nyo na ang Kongreso ng Senado, i-demand nyo ang pag-barrel ng iniisip nyo sa media, diba, na iisipin nito, iisipin niya, iisipin niya na kayo ang boss. But, he is true to his matter. And when he gets to the pala, it doesn't give him sense of it. Naalala niyo sa debate sa Cagayan de Oro, ano sabi niya? Pag hindi niyo pinayagan ang local press sa loob ng debate, hindi siya pupunta. Is that a kind of president that walang pagmamahal sa media? Marami sa politiko ngayon, pag wala yung top 3 channels, wala yung top 3 na dyaryo, hindi yung makapre-press. Etong presidente na to, vloggers, provincial news outlets, he will spend time with them. He will give them his, the interview, the hours that he's looking. So, balansehin din natin.
Kasi ito yung parang problema parang kinagaling yung mga cameras for the platforms and ginawa ko ano yung platforms na mali ang access na for the footage of content for now is this related to President's production and from now on the broadcast organization that we would have to rely on the coverage from the government stations.
Possibly. I just like to remind you, ano ba sinabi ni President Cristian Pongo last night or designate, sabi niya, for now. No? So this president, hindi ito maatras sa habang-habang. Diba? So he will give people what they want. So the impression, the media gave was, sir, kung ganyan ka, okay, let's do it. So ang daling ng salitaan na interview. Ang daling sabihin ng ABP o national, ganito ganyan. So, I do not know. But possibly, kung ako tatanungin mo, he's showing the media. We can play it your way, we can play it this way, we can play it your way. Diba? But remember, sinabi niya kahapon, you will kill journalism. He wasn't talking about killing journalists or boycotting. He was saying, pag hindi niyo pinobalik isang tao, dahil alam hindi niyo gusto the way you talk, you will kill journalism. You will kill the court system. Pero iba kasi ang pagkakas ito, lalo po yung mga, how do I put it, yung mga hindi naman real critics, pero yung mga partisa sa internet, kukunin 1% ng sinabi niya, tapos sabihin nila yun.
Sir, kasi issue ng video corruption po kaya, sabi niya, we have to reform on the part of the media. Pero can you honestly assure the public that from your end, you won't be also corrupting the media by giving bribery and other favors on this?
Okay, unang-una, ang sinasabi nila, ang pag-reform ng media, kasi huwag nyo nag-aasa sa media. Okay. Sa amin, gusto ko namin ipatas lahat at you don't give fear. But yung sinasabi ng ating Pangulo, we are also in this system. So, in their, tatawagin nila Duterte Robredo administration. So, napaghintangan na bias sa Have you ever seen an era, nakalagay ba doon Estrada Arroyo? Nakita niyo ba na may nakalagay ng Aquino, tapos nakalagay Aquino and then Binay Wala. So, when the mayor speaks about, when the president speaks about corruption, bias, mouthpieces, he's not also talking about reporters. He's talking also about yung mga may-ari ng diary, yung may-ari ng diary. He's talking about a worldwide trend where nagiging commercialized ang journalism at media to suit certain interests. Kaya yung bato-bato sa langit, tamaan mo magagalit. Hindi natin sinasabing santo ang mga politiko. In fact, alam na nga, kurang pa naman. Ang sinasabi lang nga, pag siya nasa palapit na, kaya na yung reform ng politiko ang police ang sistema. Pero yung linya trabaho ng reform ng media, pagkakalahin, it will be taken on the journalism of media. Kaya na ginawa na. So, I'm just explaining that going in, very very nandunit. So, tingin ko kanya na ginawa niya ito bago siya maging mag-make a vote as president. Para hindi sabihin na the powers of the president will be against any but hindi naman it's not against specific medium, diba? Hindi yan radio lang, hindi yan TV lang, hindi yan ikaw lang. But it's talking about the general sa media, diba? It's part of the system. I don't think so. I really don't know why that changed there. But if I were to venture again, diba, it's to show you that pwede sa kanya vote, pwede sa kanya complete access na kayo ba inanapan kayo ng
Ulit lang mo, ayaw, push. Atas lang, para...
Wala ko na kaya, wala ko na kaya.
Boss, kaya din ba?
Sunod.
May mga security. Wala.
Sunod.
Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat.